My people kasala don burst hey, no be small thing kasala don burst for two baba and the mama. E get as pikin go behave like this the mother go be like, this pikin na me born you, I breastfeed you, I took care of you, another woman cannot take you away from me. Yes, because if a man or if a child cannot take care of his mother when he grew, that child is not worth giving birth to. The reason why women or family give birth to pikin be say, when that child grows and the mother is in need, the child will take care of the mother. But in this case, in two papa's case this time around, as according to wetin we dey hear allegedly, two papa no care about the family again na only Natasha wey im care about. And because of this, the mama don anger seriously. The woman don anger, like her angry, she's very angry at two baba as I'm talking to you right now. I don't know whether you remember the time they said that two baba's mother was very sick and needed to see two baba, but two baba did not show up. That was when they said that Natasha carry two baba go where that place wey im carry am go hide am for inside one bush. My people, things dey happen okay, when two baba wanted to go and see the mother, Natasha say no, you no go go. If at all you go go, na me and you go go. And two baba say no, you no go go with me. You know say my mama no like you, make you no go reach there now cause another thing for the woman wey dey sick. And after everything, two baba did not go and see the mother. So thank God for Natasha mother, because it was after Natasha mother took Natasha, separated these two. I don't know whether you don hear before, say Natasha mother got two baba and Natasha arrested and sent them to rehab, and they stayed there for 10 days, abi 11 days, after which the woman now took her child, Natasha, saying that I know Natasha before, that Natasha used to be a quiet type. Natasha doesn't behave the way she's behaving now. Now she's behaving under the influence of Mkpuru, that Natasha is not like that before. And because of that, Two-Face should leave their daughter alone. And according to what I hear allegedly, Two-Face don dey miss Natasha too much, because for some times now, Two-Face and Natasha have not been together. And that was when they said that Two-Face have time to go and see the mama. Make I tell una say, some women used to be a barrier why a man will not go and see the mother. And some women used to be some wife. Maybe say this one don become original wife na backyard wife, because as long as we never see officially wey two baba make her wife, because I know they see her as wife. Even though she rush and go and collect the deed and put in her name, she no be a correct wife. Some wife used to curse their husband make they no dey give something to the mama. And na the same mama wey give birth to them. If anything happen now, some of them, if the woman come buy, and then go buy the highest casket, make dem go bury the woman. But the time wey the woman dey alive, you no go take good care of that woman. So my people, na after mama Natasha collected Natasha, separated Natasha and the two baba, that was when they said that two baba went to see the mama. After the woman don call for phone, report, cry, complain. But you know what? As he come back, allegedly, they said that the woman was like, the mama was like, oh, now you remember say I dey exist, abi? I didn't even say I buy for hospital. Now you for dey come, because say you and Natasha no dey again. I told you say na Natasha dey use something dey hold you, no gree. Now that the mother don separate you from her, you don remember say I dey exist. And because of that, I don disown you. You no be my pikin again. My people, according to wetin I hear, e be like say e get something wey two baba mother expect two baba to do, wey two baba no do. The woman was like, you no be my pikin again. As long as you no do this thing, you no go be my pikin again. I no know wetin be dat to make I tell una the truth. But the thing wey I hear be sey the woman disown two baba, and two baba fell and was crying, asking himself, how can I be alive and my mother go disown me? I know say two baba and the mother dey too close, and that is why the woman knows the kind of pikin wey im give birth to. Dat time wey im dey cry, dey ask the whole world make dem help her, talk tell Natasha to collect the bead he gave to two baba. But I was like, does it mean that the bead is no longer with two baba? Dis one two baba come remember say im mama dey exist. And dis is the same way wey two baba forgot about the children. The children sef dey complain. You know say for dis holiday dey used to come and to stay with their father, so dat dem go dey know who be their father. Na so im go give birth everywhere. Dis one baby mama, baby mama. How many baby mama wey two baba get? The same Annie wey e be with you for how many years, you don divorce the Annie because of Natasha. Now that you are no longer with Natasha, of course you cannot tell two adults what to do, because Natasha will still go back to two baba. And as long as two baba mind dey for Natasha, two baba is not going to leave Natasha, even though the mother disown or not disown him. But I just pray that let the will of God be done in their life. That is the thing. Because e no dey too good make woman dey cry over im child. The child wey you cry when you are pregnant, the child wey you cry when you push, you take care of that child, the child grow, you shout just to train the child make im be useful to himself. After everything, you go see say that child don become headache on you. E no dey easy at all. Anyway, according to wetin I later hear, they say that after two baba fell down, cried, begged the mother, explain things to am, leak the secret wey make am no come back since, tell the mother so many things that happen between him and Natasha. They say that the mother accepted him back and they prayed for him. My prayer is that the prayer e go work, but the mother don see the difference between Natasha and the Annie. If na Annie now, nobody go worry. All of them go carry pink eye, don dey look Annie say like say Annie na uchi. They no know say na Annie na sent wey God don send to their child, but they no come manage am well. I just also thank God say Annie don move on with her life. Yes, Annie have moved on with her life. Make two baba and Natasha continue. That prayer wey mama pray for am, I say amen to it. But if you don't manage what you get, if you lose it, that is when you go know say, hey, you better use your brain. Anyway, guys, that is what I heard, and I was like, and let me share with you. I don't know how true it is, but whether true or false, as long as the woman later accepted to Baba, the mother prayed for him. I think this might be true, because all this time that Natasha had been dragging Two-Face from one place to another, Two Baba no get time to go and see mama, even when she was at the hospital. Women, the power of women, it's too much. Anyway, thank you so much. Please don't forget that you give this video a thumbs up, share it, and tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Bye.